Welcome to Metal Detector Test Channel, the original hardcore metal detecting channel.
Perfect weather for metal detecting. Strong winds and heavy rain. That's what you need. Some refreshment. Mine have waterproof lid on here. Garrett MS2 headphones connected to the SC09 wireless module. Garrett Profine 40 with Blackadder, Bigfoot stainless steel digger. Malab Magical with M8 coil, 8 inches by 5.5 inches. All-terrain, high conductor, sensitivity 24, recovery speed 5, everything's set for takeoff, maximum power. Tones enhanced, 5 regional tones. Iron bias custom tool. Eye flexor and cell gloves. Production line gloves. Assembly line gloves these. Like they use on assembly lines. First find is a plastic bottle top. $85. Strong pinpoint signal. $2p coin. This is likely to be tuppence. It's a surface tuppence. It's on the surface. Look, just recently dropped. It's not even got any dirt on it though. I must find thousands of these. They're everywhere, honestly, these tuppences. If you're looking for tuppence coins, just buy a metal detector, you'll find plenty of tuppences. You'll not find many gold coins, but you'll find a lot of tuppences. This is using the Magic Eye program. My Lab Manticore Magic Eye. Just need a little extra length here. 66. Possible pound coin over screw cap. Well, the weather's it's not very good today. Strong winds, light rain. The winds are fairly cold, but it's better than doing nothing. See, it's a round pound. That this area has been scanned, well, probably 200 times by me, and it's since I've started using the power balance settings on this detector, I've been finding many more coins with it. I have been using some negative ground balance on this detector, and it's been working very well. Just slight negative ground balance, just ground balance into the negative, manually ground balance into the negative numbers, 2 or 3 numbers. It does help to open up a few sites actually. Well, where that £1 came from, there's iron all around that. This Magic Eye program's, it's definitely masking really well. Heavily worked patches, very heavily worked patch that I'm detecting on here, and this new program is pulling coins out left, right and centre. 68. I am using the Garrett MS2 headphones. Garrett MS2 wired headphones connected to the WM09 wireless module. I do prefer the Garrett MS2 in light rain because there is some water resistance, you know, waterproofing to them. Well, water resistant. They are pretty good in the light rain, MS2s. See, it is a screw cap, that. I really never trust the Minelab ML105s in wet weather, because if you go out in wet weather with the ML105s on, there's a possibility that the headphones will die if exposed to the water. But I've done some water testing with the Garrett MS2 headphones, and pretty robust actually when it comes to not being affected by light rain or even moderate rain. Well, I have, talking about rain and metal detectors, I have had some metal detectors die when they've been exposed to rain. Some of the old non-waterproof detectors, C-scopes. I've had 1 or 2 of those die due to the rain. I've also seen a XP Goldmax Power killed by rain. You are better off having a waterproof detector. Even if you're not detecting underwater, a waterproof detector is well worth having. 66. I do like waterproof detectors. It's either this is either a screw cap or a round founders. Spot the surface. Unbelievable. That's the second one here on this well hammered spot. using the Magic Eye program. You can still see the imprint from it there, on that little bit of dirt. Well, that's the second chubby, as it's called, round pound coin. Yeah, the Magic Eye program is working really well. Detecting that, look at that for depth. It's detecting the spade like, what's that, 3 foot? 3 foot, nearly 3 feet away. It's not even set very high, the sensitivity is just set at number 24. Multi-IQ. Volume 25, it is all-terrain eye conductors. Noise cancel -4, ground balance -2, recovery speed 4, discrimination pattern all metal, custom tool, ferrous limits, ferrous volume. The tones are set at 5 regional tones. Seems to be working well, that. Audio theme is enhanced, multi-IQ frequency.